This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 29, Creativity at Workplace. The video explores creativity and innovation in the workplace, discussing methods to foster new ideas and cultivating a culture of innovation while overcoming barriers to creative thinking. It differentiates between creativity, which involves idea generation, and innovation, which transforms those ideas into tangible outputs within an organization. In successful organizations, creativity leads to innovative new ideas that can then be implemented into products, services, or process improvements through the innovation process, driven by both individual creativity and organizational factors. However, barriers like bureaucracy, poor communication, risk aversion, and lack of motivation can hinder creativity and innovation within organizations. To overcome these obstacles, the video recommends building trust, open communication, allowing exploration, using ideation tools, fostering flexibility, and recognizing creativity in performance reviews. Entrepreneurship plays a crucial role in driving innovation, as entrepreneurs transform creative ideas into profitable ventures, benefiting both the individual and the organization. Various techniques like brainstorming, nominal group technique, Delphi method, and group decision support systems can facilitate effective idea generation by involving diverse stakeholders. In summary, cultivating creativity is vital for fostering innovation across all organizational departments, and overcoming barriers through trust, collaboration, and entrepreneurial spirit can drive profitability and sustainability. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.